Hello students! In today's video, we'll be talking about how to access our classroom's learning management system and where to find all of your activities and lessons for math. So when you first log into the Chromebook, you'll want to click this button right here. This is our canvas. So you'll click that and it'll load your dashboard. Yours is going to look a little bit differently than mine because you have different courses than I do. So you're going to look for our class right here with my face on it, and you're going to click it. That'll take you to our home page for our classroom. Right up here, there will be announcements. Most of these are for your parents, but there may be some for our class, and if there are, I will let you know to look for them. Now, I'm going to click Student View so you can see exactly what you'll see on your page. Okay. So after the announcements, you'll see our homeroom links that are given to us by our county. Most of these are for your parents, so we're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to find your information from your teacher. So we're going to be using our math link today. So we're going to click right there on that math button. And that's going to take you right to the unit that we're working on in math. Right now, we're starting a new unit on measurement and data. So we only have one lesson here because we're just starting this unit. So we're going to click that lesson. And that lesson is going to look exactly like your progress tracker that you keep in your folder. Whenever you need to look for an activity, you can just click the button that matches your pacing tracker. So if I need to watch the video, then I'm going to click this button and it'll open the video in a new tab. Now I can watch the video. It's going to ask me some questions. I can answer those. And when I'm all done, I can just click this X right here and it'll take me right back to the lesson that I was working on. Now, our activities and task cards and challenges, you won't need the computer to complete them. But when you finish your video, if you want to see what the next page looks like so you know what you're looking for, you can click that link right there and it'll pop up right here. I'll have copies of this printed off with all of our math work where you find that in our room. So you'll be able to find it there. But if you're at home and if you're sick or if we have a digital learning day and you want to keep up and keep working on your progress tracker, you can find everything you need right here. And if you need to go back, then you can just click that X again because it opened in a new window. So you can find our task cards, and this one right here is our flip video that we learned about. So I'm going to click the flip icon, and again, it's going to open in a new window. I'm going to have a picture right here. Sometimes you'll see a video from me giving you instructions, but this one just has a picture, and right here are my instructions. So in this video, I need to follow these 3 steps. When I'm all done, after I've added to the topic, I can hit the X and go right back to my lessons. The only part of your lesson that you can't click on is your mastery check. Those I want you to do with me. So when you're ready for your mastery check, you can let me know and I'll make sure that you get to do it at the beginning of the next class. While you're waiting for me to give you your mastery check, you can go ahead and start with the next part of the lesson. And you can go through your progress tracker the same way you did with the first lesson. That's all I have for today. Have fun and good luck.